How to fix your Netflix black screen error in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of common reasons why you would be facing this problem. So I'm going to be mentioning all the steps that you can follow to fix it. So try one by one. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is stable and fast enough. If not, you can try restarting your Wi-Fi router. You can also try closing your Netflix and restarting your device absolutely completely. And you can also check if there are any pending updates on the application. Just go to your App Store or Play Store to update it. If none of it works, then you want to check your HDMI connection with the TV. Try to unplug the HDMI from both the TV and device and plug it back in like 10-20 seconds. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxy, simply go ahead and disable that. And if nothing works, you want to try unplugging your devices from power and wait 30 minutes and try opening again. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.